Hey dog lovers! Are you ready to meet the clingiest, cuddliest, and cutest pups on the planet? These dogs don't just love you, they need you, like peanut butter needs jelly. Let's dive into the top 10 dog breeds that sticks to their owner like glue. Part 1. Number 1. Labrador Retriever. This happy-go-lucky goofball won't just follow you around. They'll probably try to sit on you, even if they weigh 80 pounds. Labs equals to pure love and accidental bruises. Number 2. Border Collie. Border Collies are smart, like might figure out your Wi-Fi password smart. But what they really want? You! All the time, forever, preferably with a frisbee involved. Number 3. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Little royals with big hearts. Cavaliers are basically tiny snuggle magnets. Warning alert, once they curl up on your lap, you're never moving again. Number 4. Australian Shepherd. These pups were born to herd, which includes herding you to the couch, to the fridge, or wherever you dare try to go alone. You are a new part of their flock. No escape. Number 5. Italian Greyhound. Elegant, graceful, and also stage 5 clingers. If you leave the room without them, they might call the police. That's the first 5 Velcro dogs who will be by your side through thick and thin. Some dog breeds will follow you from room to room and shower you with endless affection. Stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give a hug to your Velcro dog.